Hi, my name is Nixie and we are at day 4 of Inktober, and the prompt for today is freeze. By the way, before I continue with my voiceover, if you hear any kind of noise this time, that's going to be the dog. Our dog is fully awake. Anyway, at first I thought about drawing a ice queen that is frozen inside her own ice of some kind, but I thought that's gonna be complicated because I have to figure out how to make it seem like the ice is transparent and stuff, and I really didn't feel like studying that. So I came up with another idea, which is drawing two people. One of them is literally topless, almost naked, because he's manly enough. Apparently he can handle blizzard, while his friend is fully covered with super thick fur coat. I was just thinking about some funny scenario, although that didn't really appeal to me as well. But that was what I was gonna draw. When I was literally about to start drawing, I thought about what police yell when they're about to catch a person, and they yell freeze. And immediately that actually got me more interested because I really wanted to draw the pose, because I remember watching some action movies and how the actors sometimes are not really good at handling guns, and it literally looks so awkward. So I wanted to see if I can draw someone who looks like they do know how to hold guns, and hopefully that's how it turned out, and hopefully that's what you think, that she looks like she knows how to hold guns. And then also I find the uniform super cool, so I got really excited to draw that part too. Also including perspective, because that's really what I'm studying. Like focusing a lot of my studying too is getting the perspective right, and I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. I think the perspective, it's not 100% accurate or perfect, but I think it looks better than how I used to draw it. I think the last time that I drew something like that was day 1. I'm just overall really happy with how this turned out. And I did something different with the background, since on the day 1 to 3 I just did like a plain black background, but this time I shaped it into some kind of leaf thing. Oh, you're asking why there are leaves growing out of her? I don't know either. Maybe she's a badass policewoman in the morning and a plant lover at night. Who knows? I don't know. I just felt like drawing a plant. Okay. So, yeah. See you tomorrow for day 5. Thanks for watching. Oh my god. Again, bad freaking ending. Bye. See you tomorrow. Day 5. Bye.